Good Monday morning, everybody. This morning I got some Norwegian Cruise Line news. I've got some Disney Cruise Line news, and I've got some Carnival Cruise Line news, some clarification on some information that we already put out, but need to clarify a few things and actually give you the numbers. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, got some cruise news for this Monday morning. Get our week started off here on the right foot. And first up, we're going to talk about Norwegian Cruise Lines. So Norwegian has announced that the Norwegian Joy is going to be sailing out of Boston in the 2023 cruise season. So good news for the folks up there in Boston that want to sail on a Norwegian cruise line. You're going to have the opportunity come next fall. So September and October of 2023, the Norwegian Joy is going to be doing New England and Canadian cruises, like I said, from the port of Boston. So, like I said, something to look forward to if you sail out of that area up there and you want to sail on Norwegian. So Disney Cruise Lines, they have released some information on their newest Trident class vessel. We already have seen the Disney Wish. Well, now they are starting to talk about, put out, and look at some new information for their next Trident class vessel, which is going to be called the Disney Treasure. Now they have a couple little videos that they've put out announcing the name, quick little rendering of what the atrium and the atrium statue is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and put those up here for you guys to take a look at. And there you go, just a little sneak peek, a little hint, a little, kind of get you interested in the next Disney Cruise Line ship. And finally, Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, we just did a video here this past weekend talking about the changes coming to Carnival Cruise Lines, changes to the room service, price increases to the Wi-Fi package, and the fact they were bringing back the Dr. Seuss green eggs and ham breakfast. So when we did that video, we didn't have a whole lot of specifics other than these were changes they were going to make. Well, this morning we got some more information, some more specific information to put out to you guys on that. So I want to start off with clarifying about the room service. So there are going to be changes made to the room service availability as far as menu items and in pricing. Now, complimentary breakfast items, meaning no charge, they are still going to be available from 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., the room service menu will go to an a la carte format with a nominal fee for each item that you get. And they said this is designed to help with food waste, to reduce it. People were getting 3 and 4 plates, having them sent down by room service, and wasting 50% or more of the food, just putting it out on the hallway, and it was getting thrown away. And that is one of the reasons Carnival is making these changes to the room service menu. And the Carnival brand ambassador, John Heald, he did put this out on his Facebook page here over the weekend. So yesterday we made some changes to our room service menu, and I received so many comments asking me to clarify a few things, so please allow me to do so. Room service continental breakfast remains complimentary from 6 to 10 a.m. For those of you asking for clarification, there will be a nominal charge for all other items. The definitely upgraded sandwiches and treats will be truly superb, and you are going to be very pleased when you see the menu and the affordable prices. I will post the menu as soon as I can. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of clarification as to what Carnival is doing with the room service and how and when they're going to charge. Still waiting for him to release the menu and any prices associated with specific items that'll be on the menu. Now over to the Wi-Fi. We knew that Carnival was going to be increasing the prices of their Wi-Fi, and I now have what the new prices are going to be. For the social package, which is Carnival's lowest internet package, it is going to be increasing by $1.70 and going up to $10.20. Their value package, which is their middle package, is increasing by $3.40 up to $14.45 per person per day. And the premium package is increasing by $2.55, going up to $17. So that's going to be the price changes for Carnival's upcoming Wi-Fi starting after October the 1st. Remember, all these changes go into effect starting on October the 1st. So if you want to purchase the Wi-Fi package for an upcoming cruise, purchase it now prior to October the 1st to still get the current prices before they change, before they go into an increase. Like I said, even at their lowest level of Wi-Fi, which is barely does much, that is still $1.70 more per day. And with cruises raising rates, gratuity increases, changes to room service menus, a couple of dollars per person per day can really start to add up really quickly. So that's why I wanted to make sure I got these prices out to you. I said we would. Make sure you guys have them, and make sure you guys know what will be coming up for Carnival Cruise Lines after October the 1st. All right, and that is going to be our cruise news video for this morning. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video just like this one. Hope everyone out there has a really great start to their week. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.